how to fix AirPods connected but no sound. So, the first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your AirPods is connected and it is not on low battery or the battery is very low. So to check that, you just open your AirPods and make sure that the indicator light is turned into green and not orange. So if it shows orange, then that means that your AirPods is low on battery. You may also check if the indicator light is right here, make sure it is green, and charge it if it is on color orange. And then the second option I can give is that you should reset your AirPods if the charging method still doesn't work. So first, you need to forget the um AirPods from your phone. So you need to go to settings, go to Bluetooth, click on that I button and then or the information button and forget the AirPods from your phone. Once you have done that, you just open your AirPods, make sure to click on the button right here at the back, press and hold for at least 30 seconds or until the light will turn into orange. And then once it turns into orange, you need to close it, open it again, and then reconnect your AirPods to your device. And then if all of these steps still doesn't work, then I would suggest that you should go to your Apple or your Mac Center in your location for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix AirPods connected but no sound. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.